Hey guys, yeah, it's your trade of the day, and yeah, it's Meta. I mean, look at this move that Meta did yesterday, an absolute destruction of a day. Started at about that 166, 167 there, and then finishes the day down, low, down into 157, which we've highlighted. This line across here, 157, this support line or resistance line up here, 160. So let's talk about why we like the trade. Yesterday afternoon, at 3 o'clock. It was about 3:30, 3:40. I think it might have even been a little bit later. So into the close, right into here. I said, I like Meta for a swing trade long today, right? So let's see how that turned out. The reason why we liked it long, look at this little area that I highlighted right here. This was the only time that it spent below 157 yesterday. It was just in the chaos, volume kind of still strong here, came back in, spent, like this is a 3-minute candle, so, or a 3-minute chart, so spent about 1, 2, let's call it 15, 20 minutes below that level. So I was like, you know what? Let's see what we come up with today. Then into the close. Look what happened into the close yesterday. Pretty much barcoded. It's like, why didn't it continue to go down there? Like why was 156 so important here that it held? Well, then you come in today and look, we made the swing call yesterday, close, right? So when we came in today, it was below. So you're down about $2 here. It goes down to 154, but then it just holds again 154. So we were like, okay, maybe this is something. Then the NASDAQ and the market started to sort of inch back up. And this was the thought. It's just that if the NASDAQ was going to be strong, we thought that Meta on this drop down here yesterday and supporting that 156 bottom there was something about that, right? And so today, we should have punched long 156 when it broke there. I know there's a few traders in our chat there on the morning that were saying 155.50, 156, that's great. For me, I wanted to wait until we got into this area, 157. That's where we started to execute the trade. So real early, we got long in here, 157. The first take is 157.50. Then it just started to blow up to the upside here, getting some out 158s, getting some out here 159, reloading it too on the dip back down. Remember, like all of these dip buys, if we're going to look at this seriously, it's off of big moves. So a big move down, buy, right? Another big move down, buy. Another one, buy. So we're not really, we are scalping it, but we're trying to get specific prices. On any flush down, we know that Meta has some kind of strength here at this 157 to buy it, right? Even when the NASDAQ turned red here on the day, came all the way back down, we just sat in there, said buy again, 158 long, right? You're now at 159.25. We still have a piece on. We still have half of our position on. I think Meta, especially into the close here, why can't we go back and test this 160? Let alone this 160.50 high. So I'm long Meta here. And again, the reason why, it's not on the sticky note today, but we definitely looked at it early. This is 9:30, like 9:30, 9:33, something like that, where we actually get in and we're like, enough is enough. I think actually one of those is the pre-market. We like that 157 level. And let's just think about why again. Big move down, and then it stopped at 157. So we noticed that that was a little bit of a dip area. So if we were to lose on our position, we would have had to get out here at a 156 break. So about $1 worth of risk. We've taken much more of that out of the market right now. And in fact, we're long at 158 flat. Look, it's a 3-minute chart, but I think it was 1 or 2 minutes. This thing rips all the way back up and we take 50 cents. Now, as it goes to 159.60, you can see here on the screen, we're $1.70 in the money on this trade. So far so good here. Meta looks like it wants to keep going northbound today.